Hey there, welcome to the channel. In this video, I want to show you how to automatically create and post on your Facebook page using make.com. So you can set up this automation. I'll show you exactly how to build it out in this video. And I created this yesterday. It took me about 20 minutes, pretty straightforward. And basically, it's just a matter of creating these nodes and connecting up different apps so that you can create the post in ChatGPT, get the file HTTP, and then post it on your Facebook page. So keep watching. I'll show you how to build this out. But first, before we get started, you're going to need to create your free account on make.com if you haven't already. I'll leave a link in the description below. If you want to sign up with my affiliate link, I'll get a small commission. I'd really appreciate it. And then you just click on Get Started for free at the top. And yeah, so we're just going to come over to scenarios. Here's mine right here. If I want to create a new scenario, I just click the button in the upper right-hand corner, and now I can start building it out. So this is what you'll be presented with when you first create a new automation in make.com. And as you can see, there's a lot of different tools, in other words, apps to choose from here. They've got hundreds, if not thousands of different apps to choose from. You can scroll through them here. But in this case, I want to get started with OpenAI. So I'm just going to select OpenAI right here, ChatGPT Whisper. And then in this particular case, I want to create a completion. So I'm just going to click on create a completion here. You will need to enter your API key, which I will show you how to do real quick. You're just going to come over to OpenAI's platform and then click on dashboard. And then from there, you'll come down to API keys. And as you can see, I've already got a bunch of them created. You're just going to want to click on create a new secret key. And in this case, I would choose make and then click on create secret key right here. So we can create that, copy, and then come over here and paste it in, click on add, and then you'll paste in the API key here. And that's pretty much all there is to it. Then you'll have your API key connected. And then from here, we want to create a chat completion. We'll leave that as is. And then you can select your model. There's many different models to choose from. I just chose ChatGPT 4.0 latest, so I'm going to select that. And then it's going to allow you to enter your prompt here. So you'll click on add message. And then for role, you're just going to put user. And this is where you put the prompt. So I'm just going to come over here and copy and paste the prompt that I already have from this automation. Under text content, I'm going to paste in this prompt. It just says the post should be visually descriptive so an AI image can be created to match it. Keep the text under 150 words and make sure it describes a scene, moment, or action. And that's pretty much all there is to it. You can also set the image detail here as well, which we're going to skip for now. We don't really need to do anything with that. So the first module is created. That is creating the prompt in ChatGPT. And then we're going to add another module, which will also be an OpenAI module as well. And here we're going to generate the image, right? Again, we're going to select the model. I'm going to use DALL-E 3. And then once again, we're going to give it a prompt. I'm just going to come over here and copy and paste the prompt that I already have. So it's taking the result from the previous node and running it through this and giving it another prompt to create the image. First step, we create the prompt and issue that to ChatGPT. Second step, we create the image using DALL-E 3. And then the next step is actually going to be, we're going to select tool and I believe set variable. So I'm just going to enter charvar. You're just going to click on the text box, select message, and then message content. Right? So that's just feeding it through and giving it this variable. And then the last step is HTTP. So you're going to select HTTP. You want to get a request. So basically you want to get, I believe, get a file. So we're going to get a file here and give it the URL. So I'm just going to select data right here and then URL. Right? So that's the data from this previous step, or this step right here. And then last step is going to be Facebook. So we're going to search for Facebook Page, I believe you can also make the posts in groups as well, although I'm not entirely sure. I think I would select Facebook right here. But in this case, I'm going to select Facebook page, and then we're going to create a post. Page connection. So you can simply do that through make.com. It takes a couple seconds. And then from there, you select page. In this case, I'm going to choose Be Remote Consulting, which is a page that I want to increase engagement on and just start getting more comments. So that's basically the main reason that I set up this automation in the first place. And from here, actually we need with photos. So we want to select with photos here. So I'm going to delete that module and create a new one, create a post with photos. Right? So I'm just going to select that one instead. Once again, I will select the page that I want to post on, Be Remote Consulting. And then right here, we just want to upload a photo. We don't need to download the photo. We just want to upload it to Facebook. And we'll use the data from the previous file. So it got the image URL. And then that's it. So we upload the file. So the result from the previous step. And yep, that's pretty much all there is to it. Everything is set up. And we can just run this and see if it actually creates a post to my Facebook page. So we're going to do that now. Hopefully it won't have any errors. We'll click on run once. Looks like there is an error here. So what is the issue here? So something from the previous step, it's not getting. So we can click on run. Oh, there. Now this time it's working. So as you can see, it's running each of the nodes. So it's working on generating the image right now. Then it's going to get the HTTP request, pull in the image URL, and make the post to Facebook. So while that's working, so it's now finished running, and we should have a new post on the Facebook page over here. There it is. So it just created this AI-generated image using ChatGPT, along with the description or from the prompt, and made a post on my Facebook page. You can run it manually, or you can just say, okay, run it every day, right? At a certain time. So we're just going to choose 10 a.m. Bangkok time. And that's all there is to it. So now set it and forget it. It's just going to run automatically every day at 10 a.m. And that way you don't have to do anything. It's automatically posting, which will over time increase engagement on your page. And as you can see, I've already been running these, I think, every 12 hours using the automation. So over time, engagement will go up. We'll start getting more comments. And yeah, it's a great way to automate posting on your Facebook page. So if you have any questions about this, go ahead, post in the comments below. Happy to help answer any questions. And with that being said, thanks so much for watching. Till next one, peace.